After a reboot, a physical Windows server shows volume E as inaccessible. It looks like the volume has been corrupted. The server has 0 volume C, some operating system drive, D data, and E also data. Employees urgently need to access the files on this volume. Which of the following would bring the server back up and running the fastest on the same hardware? Okay, this is a good question. Let's see here, what options do we have? So we have this drive, which is gone, and it's broken somehow, and we need to restore it back. Now it's a physical server, so let's just assume that somehow the disk itself is good, storage is okay, but we just need to bring the storage back. Insert recovery volume media and use volume restore for drive E. We could do that, right? But then we would also need to restore 600 gigabytes of data, or however much data is actually on that drive. Use restore guest OS files. Then we would have to restore every single file one by one. I think that would definitely take more time than this route here. Instant disk recovery of drive E. I don't think you can do that on a physical server. It would probably be the fast option here if it was a virtual machine, right? But it's not, it's a physical box. And then insert Veeam recurring restore system volumes only, but we're not restoring the system volume, right? That would be the C drive. We are doing the E drive. So in this sense here, I would definitely go with the first option